This is the first episode of my YouTube channel. It's called Pick on Tyrus and Justin channel. We're gonna start with that first episode, picking on this guy. All you see is his arm. His name is Justin. No longer wants to play football or basketball, for that matter. So, how are we gonna start a channel? This is my channel. Don't interrupt my channel. Anyway, how you doing, followers? Let me talk to you guys about something very important. Look.
I don't want to look. It's not funny.
There you go. There go Justin over there. There go Tyrus. Hey, Tyrus, say hi to my audience.
Hi.
My followers. Say hi to my followers. Yeah, that's my son, Tyrus. Call him Buffalo Butt sometimes, but that's okay. How you doing, Tyrus?
Good.
How old are you?
9.
Okay. There go big man over there. His name is Justin. But he wants to look out the window all day when we get in the car. That's all he do. Lay sit just like that. He never moves. Look, and he talks to me like that, just his face out the window, throwing a fit. Hey, Justin. Remember when you pooped today and left your underwear with a food stain?
No, I didn't.
I'm gonna tell my audience. Yep.
I didn't.
You didn't?
You didn't.
Your name is not Justin?
My name is.
Okay, fine.
Stop.
Anyway. I see you just yeah.
You really think that you're funny?
Look at that big old ear sticking out. Any guys. When you see a giant ear, look at it over there. Okay, we'll go to Walmart. Right, Tyrus? Okay. Okay, followers, I'm gonna make an episode 2 later after I go to Walmart, and we're gonna go buy some underwear for somebody because they ruined it when they used the bathroom this morning. We're not gonna say no names. We're not gonna say no names. Yeah. See you later, followers.